Life is full of surprises and challenges, making preparedness essential. This video showcases 7 ingenious and practical survival gadgets, perfect for outdoor adventurers, city dwellers, or anyone seeking readiness. From satellite communicators to water filters and emergency blankets, these innovative tools are designed to help you navigate and conquer even the toughest situations life throws your way. Starting the list with an awesome and easy-to-use satellite communicator for anyone focused on surviving and thriving in the great outdoors. Yes, survival in the wilderness requires not only physical preparedness, but also reliable communication. The Global Hotspot excels in this regard by offering a range of adventure-critical features. Utilizing Iridium's low Earth orbit satellite network delivers unparalleled global coverage, ensuring you stay connected even in the most remote locations. This device isn't just a communicator, it's a comprehensive safety tool. Its two-way messaging lets you communicate with your team or loved ones, enhancing safety and coordination during your survival journey. Real-time location sharing ensures that others are aware of your whereabouts, a crucial factor in emergencies. On-demand weather reporting empowers you with essential information for informed decision-making, particularly when facing the unpredictable forces of nature. Survival in the great outdoors often comes down to being well-prepared with the right gear, and the Titan's Survivor Cord bracelet can be the one. This survival bracelet combines style and function to create a tool that could be a true lifesaver in challenging situations. With over 11 feet of versatile cordage, including 550 cord, utility wire, fishing line, and waxed jute woven into its trilobite weave pattern, this bracelet is not just an accessory, it's a survival kit you wear on your wrist. Whether you're building a shelter, setting up snares, or starting a fire for sustainability, this bracelet can save you. Plus, the stainless steel bow shackle on this bracelet with a half-inch gate opening ensures durability along with quick access. It's easily attached and adjusted, and in emergencies, it can handle up to 1,650 static pounds, which is a vital safety feature for any demanding situation. In a survival scenario, clean water is never a luxury, it's a necessity. So here comes the Peru Su Plus, designed to withstand the harshest conditions. It boasts a double-grid structure that absorbs external shocks, making it the ideal companion for any challenging environment. It removes an astounding 99.99% of harmful bacteria, ensuring that the water you drink is not just clean, but safe for consumption. With FDA-certified food-grade materials, this filter ensures that the water you consume is not just purified, but also free from harmful substances. Additionally, featuring a multi-layer system, it maximizes the lifespan of its filter. So, in challenging environments where replacement filters may not be readily available, this extended filter life is a rescuer. If your survival needs go beyond what that knife can offer, then the Cold Steel Frontier Bowie knife is ready to step up to the task. Crafted from full-tang 1085 carbon steel, it exudes a sense of rugged reliability essential for surviving in the wild. Its S-shaped guard not only pays homage to classic Bowie knives, but also provides exceptional hand protection, a critical feature when facing the unexpected challenges of survival. The blade's black finish adds both aesthetic appeal and corrosion resistance, ensuring it remains a reliable partner in the quest for survival. Whether you're in the wilderness hunting for sustenance or in need of a dependable tactical instrument for self-defense, this Bowie knife effortlessly excels in cutting, slicing, and piercing in any survival situation. When it comes to surviving tough situations, Uncharted Rapid Raft can be a great companion for any adventure seeker. It's a super light and compact, originally designed for quick military use, but it's also an excellent tool for different survival scenarios. Whether you're out exploring nature, facing unexpected challenges, or just enjoying the great outdoors, this raft is your trusty survival gear. This raft is ready for action if you ever need it during floods or emergency water situations. And when it's time to get on the water, you won't be waiting around. This raft inflates in seconds so you can jump into action right away. Up next with the ACR Rescue Link, a safety device for surviving and challenging life-threatening situations. This handy device is the combination of GPS positioning, a powerful 406 MHz signal, and one 21.5 MHz homing capability means that when you find yourself in a survival scenario far from help, this device can rapidly and accurately alert search and rescue teams to your precise location. On top of that, its multi-function clips allow you to attach it to your person, gear, or clothing, ensuring that it can accompany you on any survival journey. This adaptability is crucial when you must carry limited gear but need to maximize safety and rescue potential. Emergency survival blankets like Survive Ware Emergency Mylar blankets are essential for any survival situation. Featuring a 52-inch by 82-inch size, this thermal blanket is made of advanced aluminum foiling, making it durable and reusable. The dual-color design retains different body heat depending on the seasons and weather conditions. In addition to the usual features of the blanket, you can also use it as your shelter using rocks or berries as anchor points. And you can make it even more secure by tying a paracord or string around it to make it more secure. As the sun shines bright on snow, this thermal blanket can serve as your sunglasses to keep you well exposed to the sun. This lightweight, compact-size blanket is easy to carry and store in your backpack or back pocket with ease. Okay, that was our list of 7 gadgets that will help you survive.